Some wild animals defy expectations, showing remarkable friendliness toward humans. While they remain untamed, these creatures display trust, curiosity, and even affection, making them some of the most approachable wildlife in the world. The capybara, the world's largest rodent, is often referred to as nature's friendliest wild animal. Native to South America, these semi-aquatic mammals are highly social and often seen lounging with other species, from birds to monkeys. They're so relaxed around humans that they've become a favorite among wildlife enthusiasts who visit their habitats. Their docile nature and tendency to form bonds make them uniquely approachable in the wild. Another surprisingly friendly species is the dolphin. Known for their intelligence, dolphins have been observed rescuing humans from drowning and even defending them from sharks. They engage in playful interactions with swimmers and boats, displaying an innate curiosity about people. Some pods actively seek out human interaction, leaping and twirling near boats as if performing for an audience. Their ability to recognize individuals and respond to human gestures makes them one of the most engaging creatures in the ocean. Quokkas, small marsupials from Australia, are famous for their seemingly cheerful expressions. Found mainly on Rottnest Island, these animals have no natural fear of humans and will often approach people, allowing for close encounters and even selfies. Though they are still wild, their trusting demeanor has made them a symbol of friendliness in the animal kingdom. Their lack of natural predators contributes to their carefree attitude, allowing them to interact with humans without hesitation. Manatees, also known as sea cows, are another remarkably friendly species. These gentle giants, often found in warm coastal waters, are slow-moving and entirely non-aggressive. They often swim up to boats and kayakers, seemingly curious about human activity. Since they have no natural predators, they display little fear, making them one of the most approachable marine mammals. Their peaceful nature and love for social interaction with both humans and their own kind make them an endearing species to encounter in the wild. Red foxes, while often elusive, have shown unexpected friendliness in certain regions. Some have been known to follow hikers out of curiosity, and in areas where they coexist closely with humans, they can become quite bold. Urban foxes in particular have adapted to human presence and sometimes interact playfully. In rare cases, they have even formed bonds with people who feed them regularly, showing an intelligent and social side that is often underestimated. Another notably friendly species is the grey whale. Despite their massive size, these ocean giants are known for their gentle demeanor. In certain regions, such as Baja California, they actively approach boats, sometimes allowing people to touch them. This behavior is especially surprising given their history with whaling, yet they seem to have forgiven humans, seeking interaction instead of avoiding it. Their willingness to engage with people has made them a favorite among wildlife watchers. The Binturong, or bearcat, is a lesser-known animal with a surprisingly friendly nature. Though they look like a cross between a cat and a bear, they are actually related to civets. Found in Southeast Asia, these animals are known for their calm and curious personalities. Some, particularly those in protected areas, have been seen climbing onto people's shoulders and sniffing their hair, displaying an almost pet-like affection. Their slow movements and lack of aggression make them one of the more approachable wild species. Swans, despite their reputation for being territorial, can also show remarkable friendliness. In areas where they are regularly fed by humans, they often recognize and approach specific individuals. Some swans form long-term bonds with people who feed them regularly, greeting them with soft honks and even following them around. While they can be aggressive when defending their nests, they are capable of deep social connections, making them one of the more complex yet friendly wild animals. Last but not least, the wombat, a sturdy burrowing marsupial from Australia, can be surprisingly affectionate. In wildlife sanctuaries, some individuals develop strong bonds with their caregivers, following them around and even seeking out cuddles. In the wild, they are more reserved but can still be approachable, particularly in areas where they are used to human presence. Their sturdy, waddling nature makes them appear endearing, and their interactions with humans often reflect a calm, curious temperament. While these animals may not be domesticated, their natural friendliness challenges the notion that wild creatures always fear or avoid humans. Their curiosity, intelligence, and social tendencies make them some of the most engaging species to encounter, proving that friendliness in the wild comes in many unexpected forms.